Goodbye Philippines, hello Boracay. Mom, Dad, I'm here in Boracay.
Girl, parang painting.
Blessed yung Boracay kasi nakita kami. It's giving so refreshing. It's so hot in Boracay. Ganun.
Thank you for waiting our Asian 217 Boracay.
Hi guys!
Parang manang pa.
Okay. Hi guys, we're going to Boracay. I'm with Day and today is November 14 and this marks as our first major trip. Oh, it's a major trip. Parang domestic lang naman pero it's somewhere, right? So yeah, see you guys later! Good morning daw. Good morning daw, Day. Di, bakit naman nakikipag-eye to eye at mag-good morning kasi pwede naman sa may nakakal na lang tingnan. Ito na kami sa plane. Goodbye Philippines, hello Boracay. Day 2 in Boracay. Today, we're gonna have breakfast dito sa hotel. And then, check namin yung weather if perfect mag-island hopping! So, yun lang yung pain kasi hindi namin sure sa weather dahil maulan nga dito. Sige, go. Let's go. Alright! Ang saya na Ay, wow, it's so humid. Nag-ano agad yung camera ko. Guys, for the longest time, kanina pa umuulan dito and look who decided to show up! It's so sunny! Ayan, nagka-swimmingan na ang mga tao. Wow, so pretty. Pero grabe, dahil lumabas yung araw, mas clear yung water, kaya thank you Lord! Thank you Lord talaga. I'm so happy. Pero yun, nagugutom na kami. Char, nagugutom na ba tayo? Nagkikrave lang tayo ng kape. Nagkikrave lang kami ng kape, so maghahanap muna kami ng coffee and then we're gonna have some fun! Reporting to you live from the water, guys. Very clear naman ang water. Nag-report. Very clear naman yung water dito. Asa nalulunod. Guys, last night we were walking around. We got these earrings. Show yours. Perfect. Bagay sa top mo kasi may white. Guys, right right now we're walking to D-Mall. Pa-D-Mall kami kasi gusto namin ng, ano gusto natin? Jonas Fruit Shake. Ang ganda naman ng lighting here. It's giving summer trip. Summer trip habang Bagyo season. Grabe, ang ganda ng sky. Look guys. Dito na kami sa D-Mall. We're just gonna walk around and see if magustuhan kami. So dito may mga stores. Tapos kasi gusto namin mag-Jonas. May Jonas dito. Ay, mag-check ako sa inyo, Ira. Hi guys, dito kami mag-lunch sa I Love Backyard Barbecue. I Love Barbecue lang. Doon na kami mag-lunch. I will rate this, actually parang 10 out of 10 siya sa akin. Feeling ko. 10 out of 10. Kasi may meat ka, may sides, tapos may available din sila na seafood. Tapos may chicken, may pork, may beef, so like they have all the meats. So, I love that for that. After nito, Jonas na kami and then tambay, and as you know it, transfer ng pictures for posting. Hi! Ako baka mango pineapple. Watermelon ka?
Watermelon shake po.
Tapos isa pong mango. Ano yung bestseller sa mango? Sorry.
Oh, yeah. Mango, yung may mga tansa. Mango banana pinaka-best seller.
Mango banana. Sige, isang mango banana. Ito na nga sa Dimon. Kawawa naman tayo. Hi guys, this is Jonas Fruit Shake Mango Banana. It's giving so refreshing. It's so hot in Boracay. Ganun. It's giving, grabe, sobrang init. Buti may Jonas. Okay, nakasip-sip na siya guys. Ano masasabi mo?
Lasang watermelon, guys.
Dapat merong yung feeling. Parang feeling ka.
I feel like watermelon.
Sige, salamat. Yo. Hello guys, we've been swimming. Thankfully, wala nang anong tawag dito? Wala nang ulan. So yeah, we're just gonna keep swimming until later. Bye! Hi guys, we're watching the sunset right now. And all I can say is, wow. God is so good, y'all. He allowed us to see a good sunset here in Boracay. On our last day.
I got my first real 6'3", born in the 5 and dime, played until my fingers bled. Was the summer of '69.
Guys, we're walking to buy souvenirs. Dito kami sa may water kasi dito walang tao. Doon sa kabila. Oh, seaside kami right now. Sa may shore.
Literal na seaside.
Nagpapakaano kami, she sells seashells by the seashore. Punta kami dun sa mga bilihan sa may hotel namin kasi doon mas mura. Sige.
Guys, taking over the vlog. John's vlog. Busy siya man. Pasalubong shopping. Ay, grabe naman ang zoom ng person. Asa na siya? Ayun. Bili pa more.
Going home. We're going back to Manila. Malulubat na rin, no? Bali.
Bali or Singapore?
Singapore or Bali. Parang mas achieve yung Singapore pero man. Para may iba naman kasi para salitan.
We'll see about that.
Yeah.
Talk about that.
See you soon, guys.